Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about the trade which I took today on oil. All right, well, let me show you from the start. This is the chart I made, oil, US oil weekly chart I made on the 21st November. So weekly chart showing the possible direction. This was the low, this was the high, this was the high. So I said, okay, somewhere here, you see the yellow mark from there to the bottom here, that it may drop one more time maybe, but somewhere here, it will go up. So I'm obviously looking for long setups, not short. I don't want to go short on this because it's, from there to there, FIP, 78%, and, nice support. So, a couple of highs, this low, 76.05. It's a strong area to bounce, right? So I said, okay, if it bounces and if I see my long setup, I'll take it. So I see a setup and then I posted on the Telegram. Somebody was asking that, why are you showing all, only the trades and not showing the entries? So I do show the entry or give a heads up about the entry that I'm going to take on my Telegram. So you see, this is the Telegram. And on the 23rd, you see, this is how I posted it. This is how, okay, I posted here about oil. Where the heck it go? Right, see this one here? Oil retraced back to 23% and line may bounce back. And then I posted a chart that this is how oil came down and it might go up the same way. So I posted that on the 23rd, and on the 25th, here we go. So this is the trade I got on the 25th on oil, and here is the trade. Okay, that's what it is. And today, if you notice that on the Telegram, I posted the last message is don't forget the oil, look for long. The tweet is at 9:54, and I have 7-hour difference between the Telegram and the my broker time, right? So 16:54. So 16:54, and if you look at this today's entry, where the heck go? This is not the today's entry here. So you see, this is the entry here. This was a setup. The entry is right there. I was doing some other things and posting on the Telegram, and this thing moved very fast. So by the time I came back and took the entry, it was like, phew, right? So this is where you can see exactly it's 1650. You see that? So that's where I made the entry, but the setup is this. And from there on, it goes all the way here from 75 to 77.75. $2.75. It went up straight. That's today. And it is after posting the entry here on the Telegram. Also, I have these entries, right? For example, I posted the UF making a short, but I said not taking the UF entry. No, because it is going against my US dollar index analysis. UJ making a short, it's still going. If it is not more than 50 pip, I don't bother making a chart, right? And I'm sitting on a break even. Let me show it to you. You see right there. See that it's sitting on a break even, buy entry, break even, and I'm positive right now, but not enough. So I'm gonna let it go. Okay, I'm gonna let it go until I'm recording. Yeah. So until it is 50 pip or more, then I'll record the chart and this and that. But yeah, this entry I posted, right? And I also posted, for example, AU making a short, right? This was a long, and then AU short. Where is AU? AU is still going on, dropping very nicely. But this is the entry, and this is the SL. My SL is right now at 15 pip loss, right? So 15 pip. Worst come to worst, if it goes against me, I'll lose 15 pip. It goes, if it takes this one out, then I'll move it a little bit more, maybe 7-8 pip. This is how I move my SL little by little. Okay, like this one, just move a little bit, then reduce the risk alongside, and then if it's here, then I'm sitting on a break even. 20, 25 pip profit, and I'm sitting on a break even. It's a free trade. If it goes 70, 80 pip, this is not the, this is just a message from the previous. So if it goes all the way for 70, 80, 100 pip, then I will record the chart and then close the trade. If not, then I'm gonna sit on a break even. Even right now, like I said, that 15 pip, 10 pip loss, no big deal, because you saw my trades. Every week I have trades like 100, 120, 130, 40 pip, 50 pip trades. So a couple of those cover everything. 15 pip loss here, 10 pip loss there, doesn't mean anything. It's just it's like money management techniques. That's it. All right. So you have to have this system. Everybody knows direction. Catching the direction is no big deal. Everybody can do it. But knowing where to make the entry exactly, that is the key. So that you don't get negative. And then as soon as it moves 20, 25 pip in your direction, you come and sit on a break even, reduce your risk. And then, making money is one thing, but saving your capital is bigger than that. So this is the system that make you, not only make the pips, a lot of pips, but also reduce the risk drastically. So these are a couple of entries are going. Oil already traveled like $3 already, so I'm not gonna bother making another entry today on that. Gold entry I made earlier, but that got knocked out at break even. So no gain, no loss, nothing. That's how it works. So this is how the setup, that's my money management. This is how it goes. And this is how I got these two trades in oil. And we have a long way to go. Like, for example, these USD pairs, right? I have USD, Aussie USD short and USD yen long. Why? Because of this chart. I send out to, I made it and then I posted. I even posted on the Telegram here. Let me show you. It's right there. See that? On the 28th, today, earlier, and several hours ago. So I posted when the price was here, just above 1376. Look where it is now. See, slowly going to the upside. So as long as it's keep going to the upside, this will happen. These pair will go down and these pair will go up. That's why I have Aussie USD short setup right now going on and UJ long going on. And the others have not given me the entry. As soon as soon as I get these entries in these pairs, I'll take those. But I have to have the entries, not just the idea that they're gonna go down and I'm gonna go blindly and short them. No, I will wait for my proper entry. And then proper entry is what? When my for short, see, it's coming down. So my proper entry is that yellow line. This yellow line crosses and comes down below the black line. This black line. And this indicator is all the way up. I'm gonna mark here, right? And coming down, making a turn and coming down, and price making a lower high for short, lower high, right? And then blue candles into this area and coming out with the red candles, at least touching the yellow line and yellow or black, but at least touching the yellow line. For example, for long, this is not the entry. This is not the entry because it's not touching the yellow line, right? So this is how this Aussie USD is going down, and where's the USD yen? Nicely here, sitting on a break even, no worries at all. And if it goes here, then I'll record the chart and close the trade. 70, 80, 100 pip, right? For example, right now I am at what, 30 pip, 35, 33 pip profit, right? So that's nothing. I don't want that. I want 50 plus. Simple as that. All right. So this is how I want to show you that this is how I took the trade in several trades I took, and they are going on right now. The market is not moving. It's very slow. It's Monday. So no trade closed yet, only the oil trade. And it is based on not only my weekly chart, my analysis, but also I posted all my entries on the Telegram before I take the entries. Okay, that's how it works. This is how my system is. So just wanted to show and share with you guys. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn all these mumbo jumbo, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this and that, then go to my website, this creativetradingsystems.com, subscribe, and I do webinar twice a week where I do the analysis in front of everyone and show the which pair is going to go where, up or down, all of that. By the way, yen is going to get strong pretty soon, and all yen pair will be going down, so be ready for that as well. And yeah, this is it. So I'm going to close it now, and good luck with your trading, and talk to you guys later. Okay, going nicely up, no problem. All right, I'm gonna, what do I do? Stop recording.